Today I'm going to be fixing a one of my door handles. It's stuck on my Jeep. Here it is. I can show you. If you can see, it's like giving me that like really gross sound. I see how it kind of gets like stuck. It's not too bad, but this one is really smooth. This one, not so much. It's kind of hard to press in also. Kind of get a little gummy there, so I'm gonna fix it. So what I'm gonna do is take off these Allen screws. I believe it's 5/16. I'm gonna try to do that right now. So what I like to do once these screws are out is that you can't really pry this off, so you're gonna have to use a flathead. And what I like to do to prevent it from damaging the trim is use like some painter's tape. Just kind of tape it around an edge where you can kind of get your flathead in and just pry it out that way. Now that that's done, you're going to see two screws here, and you're going to have to take those out as well. Okay, so now that these two screws are out, you're going to have to remove this one now. I mean, I don't have two hands available, so just pull this back and then this tab should start coming out here. So then once that's removed, you got two screws here. I actually don't know what it is. Maybe a 20. It's loose. Let's try 25. Yeah, so T25 for these screws. And also same thing for this one. And then another one way down here. There it is. So actually this lower one from the door handle is actually a 27, not a 25. That should be everything. This is out. These two are out. And the one down here. So you should be ready to pull the panel off. So most of this panel is off now, as you can see. I started with this hole right here. It was kind of connected like that, and just kind of pull it from there. And you should be able to just pull this out and kind of do that. And there's your panel. Over here, on this side, should be the grommet that you gotta pull out, because this is one that's opposite of the door handle. I'm gonna need two hands for this. Hold on. So you can see the inner part of the door handle. And this should be the latch mechanism. Hold on, let me just bring my arm around. You should be able to see it moving there. See a lot of gunk. And that's where you should spray. And maybe some grease too. Should help. Alright, so as you can see, I kind of sprayed it with lube and tried using some anti-seize lubricant on the inside as well as the outside. I'll wash it all in a bit, but now it's much better. Very smooth, and there you go. That's it.